Hi, I'm Alexandra, and I'm here to show you how to make healthy and wholesome dishes at home. The dish I'm going to make is a wholemeal crusted chicken roll, and we're going to start by preparing the stuffing. Now first you want to heat up your pan, pour in the olive oil. We will add in the onions. Once you've sweated out the onions and they're fragrant, you'll then want to add in your chopped mushrooms. Stir those around until they've all softened. Season it with salt and pepper. Give it a stir, and then it's ready to go. Set it aside for the next step. Now we're ready to stuff our chicken breasts. You want to make sure to get a boneless, skinless chicken breast. Get it butterflied beforehand. Have the inside facing up, and now we'll start with the mushrooms. And then we'll add on some reduced fat cheese. Roll it up. And now we're ready to prepare the coating for the crust. For the coating, you'll need some flour, some beaten egg, and some wholemeal bread. This is good because it adds the fiber to the dish. Now we're going to start off by blending the bread. I like to tear it up so that it's easier for the blender to process. Then we want to blend this into breadcrumbs. You'll want to transfer the coating ingredients to a dish that makes it easier to roll out. So first, we're going to put the chicken in the flour. Make sure that's dusted nicely. Then we'll put that in the egg, and finally into the breadcrumbs. Salt and pepper. And it's ready to bake at 180 for 20 minutes. Now I want to show you a simple salsa to go with your chicken roll. First you want to put in tomatoes, chopped up, onions. You can put as much or little as you want of this because it can be a strong taste for some people. Then you can add in lime juice, chopped cilantro, and chopped garlic. Mix this all up, and then season with salt and pepper. And there you have it, a fresh salsa for your chicken roll. Once the chicken has baked, you want to take it out of the oven and then leave it aside to rest and cool. Once it's cool, you can then take it off of the tray. You'll want to slice off the ends and make it neat. Then you can go ahead and cut it into nice little slices. And there you go, a wholemeal crusted chicken roll.